I'm Destiny with Z Grills, and today I'll be comparing two of our 700 series models. The first model will be our 700D2E, and the second model will be our 700D4E. The 700D2E is our original model with a digital control board, and the 700D4E is our newly evolved model with updated PID control board. Now we're going to talk about some similarities and differences. First of all, both grills have excellent heat retention and durability. The dual-walled insulation construction and a 2.0 millimeter thick stainless steel lid provide durability and excellent heat retention. This means steady temperatures in any weather for ultimate consistency. And now we're going to talk about temperature control. Both grills are designed for precise temperature control management between 180 to 450 degrees. From fatty pork butts to burgers, there's nothing Z Grills cannot do. So next we're going to talk about the automatic auger system. The auger system and a variable speed fan adjust the pellet feed rate and oxygen supply for steady, consistent temperatures. Both grills come equipped with a convection circulation system. The hot air will give you consistent temperature throughout the whole chamber, cooking food evenly and encircling food with flavorful smoke. And now we're going to talk about the hopper barrel. Both grills have a 20-pound hopper. The hopper gives you up to 33 hours of unassisted smoking at the smoke setting and 10 hours of grilling at high. With 697 square inches of porcelain-coated cooking surface, including a second-tier rack, both of them can hold 29 burgers, 6 racks of ribs, or 5 chickens. These grills come with their own unique firebox. The Venturi-style design creates a burn pot cyclone of airflow for maximum heat distribution and complete combustion of the pellets with minimal waste. Each grill comes with convenient storage and easy mobility. Their storage cabinets allow you to store all of your grilling gear within easy reach. Each grill comes with 4 heavy-duty caster wheels, which make it easy to move your grill around. And next we're going to talk about the differences between the 700D2E and the 700D4E. Now we're going to talk about the updated temperature control in the 700D4E model. The new PID controller maintains an incredibly steady temperature throughout your cook for precision grilling. The probes give you the precise temperature of the food inside your smoker. Now you can hit the perfect heat every time. With the addition of the manual feed button, you can now boost the smoke and get the internal temperature back up faster by holding the feed button. The new hopper cleanout allows you to easily swap between pellet flavors. Simply twist open the door located on the back of the hopper to release all the pellets in one go. Now we're going to talk about the chimney. Each grill comes with its own chimney design. The 700D2E has an adjustable chimney, while the 700D4E has a fixed chimney with larger vents. Now we're going to talk about the differences in the weight. The 700D2E weighs 144 pounds, and the 700D4E weighs 132 pounds. We have lightened the weight for easier mobility. Get ready to experience the next generation of outdoor cooking and elevate your craft like never before. This is Destiny. Hope you enjoy your food with Z Grills.